Hello, I'm back. I've got another kit to show you. This is another Christmas kit. I send, like 60 or 70 Christmas cards every year. So being able to pump out multiples of the one design really appeals to me a lot. And these ones are fancy. It's called the Christmas Wishes Kit. It does come with a stamp set. It stamps this cute phrase in the middle. It's got some little leaves and then a Merry Christmas, or you could do it as Christmas wishes as well. So a great stamp set that I'll use on some of the other cards I'm going to make from scratch. Check out the envelopes in this one. Let me pull one out for you. They are shiny gold envelopes. And in the kit, you get these address stickers because writing on this would be tricky, and the post office likes you to make your address really easy for them to read. So this is pre-decorated. They've got adhesive already on them, and you just pop them onto the envelopes. There's 2 cards that you make from the kit. So the background is red card with gold embossing on it. This is the striped one, and this one you just build up the layers. All of these leafy elements are pre-cut and coloured, and then these ones that are on the top, you go over, the green is printed on it, and you go over them with the leaf stamp. The kit comes with an ink spot in Pretty Peacock, and you stamp over it to give a bit extra dimension. Now, if you're already saying, well, gosh, that looks like it might be tricky to line up, do not worry. If you have a look at this one, I got it spot on. If you have a look at this one, I did not. Did you notice that when you looked at the card? Were you judging me for that? I'm betting you weren't. You thought it was part of the design. So don't stress about that. Very easy. You use lots of foam on this one, and then when you open it up, on the inside, this gold frame and leaf are pre-printed there, and that's where I added that little phrase, and I love it. May whatever brings you love and joy be yours this season and throughout the new year. What a great wish to send to someone. So this is a really good set if you don't write lots in your cards, because that's a very heartfelt sentiment to share with someone else. Okay, now the second card has a little life lesson in here. I pride myself on making mistakes ahead of time so that all of you can avoid them. So the front was going smashingly. This one, these little banner pieces are all pre-cut. They've got gold foiling on them. Same deal with the little accents. They're all pre-printed, and then this time we used the little leaf and went over some of the sprigs and added those in, and this is where we used the Christmas wishes stamp. I was being a bit of a smarty pants and thought, oh well, the inside of every card has that little square and the words. So why don't, before I start any of the front things, I'll just stamp them all. And I did, and it worked perfectly for this card. I didn't factor in that this card is a landscape and that one was a portrait. I stamped them the wrong way. So part of me just wants to leave it there and for people to go, so Shauna's been in the industry 24 years, has she? Got a lot to learn still. But what I think I'm probably going to do is cut a piece of paper that will just cover that, and that I can re-stamp the sentiment. So I might get fancy. I might pull in a bit of red cardstock and put white heat embossing on it so that it looks really pro and like I really meant it. So this one, then you can make 8 cards really easily. If if you want to expand it, you do have the option, because it's got the print on both sides, that you could cut these in half and do your own thing on the other side and mount this on a plain white card. But I'm really loving just how easy, how done and won this one is to put together. So if you love this one, Christmas Wishes, it's on sale for October 2024 while stocks last. And it took a little longer than some of the other card kits, but these cards will go to the people on my A list of people to send cards to, because they're that little bit fancier. Enjoy.